In this video, I'll show you how to add texture pop in DaVinci Resolve to enhance fine details in a controlled way. Please note that texture pop is a studio-only effect. Start on the color page and select your clip. In the node editor, choose the node where you want the effect. Open the effects panel, search for texture pop, and drag it onto the node. In the inspector, set the color mode to Luma and Chroma. Then change the output mode to difference magnitude. This view helps you see which areas of the image are affected. Increase the detail slider to clearly visualize the influence. To control where the effect applies, adjust the tonal ranges. Lower the shadow range to reduce texture pop in darker areas, and lower the midtone range to reduce it in the midtones. This allows you to focus the effect more on highlights if needed. Once you're happy, switch the output mode back to final result and reduce the details amount to something subtle. Toggle the effect on and off to make sure the texture enhancement stays natural. That's all. Small adjustments go a long way when using texture pop.